This is the Water Bungalows Gallery in Meeru Island Resort Spa in Maldives. There is this beautiful view of all the water bungalows. Hope you can see it. This is my room. This is room number 731. We have been allotted this room. Let's go inside and see what's there inside. Knock knock. This is my beautiful wife Monica. Say hi. On the leftmost part we have this beautiful wardrobe section. It's neat and clean. You can keep your carry bags and luggage. There you don't need to come up with your hairdryer because they will give you the hairdryer and it's free. That's a bit odd thing over here. There's nothing free over here. This is the safe where you can keep your money and valuables. You can lock it digitally. This is the minibar. This is the minibar where you will have all the alcoholic beverages, right from beer to hard drinks to vodka to gin. This is the vending machine, the kettles, the water bottles, everything. This is the rate card. This is the rate card. Hope you're able to see it. Everything is so expensive over here. Even the water bottle costs $3. You able to see it? So come up with your own alcoholic beverages and cigarettes if you are a smoker, because that will give you a lot of relief, because everything is very expensive over here. This is the bathing area, bathing section. Transparent sliding doors. This is the sink with clean towels. It's beautiful neat. This is the sliding door. Moving on further, we have this jacuzzi. Here are the instructions for making it work. This is the jacuzzi. I'll put it off and show you from inside. Hope you're able to see it. It's a clear water. This is again a sliding door. The front, let's open it. What we have. Oh, wonderful, amazing. These are the staircases which goes right into the lagoon. Those are the tides. It's Indian Ocean if I am not wrong. This is an amazing view. You can close the door again. My wife hasn't allowed me yet to go inside the water. She have said, "Mummy ki kasam, andar nahi jana." Let's go inside again. This is the master bedroom. It's wonderfully made and wonderfully kept clean. This is the bed. There is telephone along with some writing papers. There's this roof as well. Hope you're able to. This is the sofa. There's this working desk along with the TV. On TV you can find all the Indian channels, most of the Indian channels I would say. From Colors TV to Star Sports, you can enjoy your cricket matches over here because they display it. This is a wonderful room. Nice view. Now let's go outside. There's this balcony. Oh, mattresses. You can put it up, down and rest on it. Again, a wonderful view. Amazing view. Those are the chairs where you can sit and relax. You can smoke too if you are a smoker. Though I'm not, but still I would like to try it someday. Those are the water villas that you are able to see, I hope. I've stayed there for 2 days and those are also good. I was staying in room number 522 and it was also good. At one point of time I thought of not changing it, but then decided against it. Those are also the water bungalows over there, where you can see those water bungalows. It's a beautiful island. Maldives is a nice place where you can enjoy your privacy on being on honeymoon. These are the partition. There is another water bungalow on the left side. Once again, you can see those rising high tides. I hope we'll go home safely after all the tsunami things have happened in past few years. I hope I've made almost everything visible what is there in the jacuzzi water villa. Signing off. Bye. Goodbye. Take care.